Hey everybody, it's Neon. Check out what I have here. I have some space bumper cars, and these are for 18 months and up. So let's hope I can figure this out without embarrassing myself too much. So let's see what we got here. So this is what it looks like, and everything it comes with right here. So it looks like it's going to have some batteries that go in there. I don't know if it has them in there or not. I'm going to guess not, probably. And in here as well. So we're probably going to need to figure that part out. And then we have the charger here. And we have our little spaceman here that'll ride in it. So we've got a blue spaceman and a red spaceman. Oh, look at that, the little feet go. How cool is that? Oh, you guys can't even see what I'm doing here. Got the little blue spaceman and the red spaceman. So they'll kind of go in here. Oh, I see. He clips in there like that. There we go. And then it'll drive like that. But I'm going to guess I need some batteries and need to figure it out. So, oh, it does come with a battery right there. Two batteries. So the batteries are just right here. And then this is going to be the charger. And here's the little screwdriver. Excuse me. So here we go. I haven't charged it yet, so hopefully it's going to still want to work. Might not, huh? Well, we'll try. We shall try. See what we can do. Oh, it's on. Here, turn it on. Okay. So there's that. And then I don't know which remote goes to which car. I will hope this remote is for this car. And this requires two AA's. And we'll put this in here. There we go. So let's turn this on and this on. And it moves. Whoa, look at that. You can move forward and backwards. Music. And then we have the turning. Look at that. So the turn, and it's doing on that. I'm going to try this on the floor here in a second. Let's put the guy in. And we'll aim you guys to the floor over there. And this is where we're going to try it. So here we go. And this is just one of them. It comes with two. Oh, it goes fast. Ooh. Oh, can you guys see it even? There it is. And when it's moving, the lights go on. So how cool is that? Pretty cool. I like it. So it works super easy. And I figured it out, and I'm older than 18 months. Thumbs up from me.